So friends, this is my online class going on. I am super excited to start the experiment with ma'am. The experiment we are going to do is about soluble and insoluble substances. Let us see what all we need for our experiment. We need salt, oil, sugar, pulse, spoons and 4 glasses of water. Now let's begin the experiment. First of all, we will add sugar and water. In the first glass, we will add some more sugar and some more. Now we will go to the second glass. We will add salt in the water. My mama is helping me. Wow, I am enjoying. Now we will move to the third glass. We will add salt and water. Now the last glass of water, we will add oil to it. Let's pour oil carefully. Do not spill the oil. Now we have added all the 4 things in separate glasses. Show thumbs up if you have done it. Wonderful. Now take the first glass having sugar. Have a look. Sugar is sitting at the bottom of the glass. Now we will start stirring the sugar and water. It will take some time. Keep stirring. It's lots of hard work. So the sugar has now disappeared. Now let's put the glass aside. Next we will add salt. This is salt sitting at the bottom of the glass. We will start stirring it round and round. Meanwhile, have a look at sugar glass. There is no sugar. The salt is also mixed in water. Let's keep it inside. Now let's go to the third glass, having dal. So friends, let's begin to stir it. Keep stirring. Will it get dissolved or not? We will see. Now let's go to the last glass. Let's try to mix oil to water. Let's stir it. Oil is not going down. It's staying on water. This we finished the process. Now let's go on to the observations. We observe that sugar disappears completely. Salt also disappears completely, but the water becomes cloudy. The dal did not disappear at all. It is lying at the bottom of the glass. Oil is floating on the water. Now let us go on to the conclusion. Sugar dissolves completely in water on stirring. It is heavier than water, so it sinks at the bottom of the glass. Salt also dissolves completely in water on stirring, but the water turns cloudy. Pulse does not dissolve in water. It is also heavier than water, so sinks at the bottom of glass. Oil does not dissolve in water and keeps floating on the surface of water because it is lighter than water. Hope you enjoyed this interesting experiment. Do try it at home. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel Frisky Fables and Duck Tables. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.